Hi students. So for today's video, we are going to see the profit and loss appropriation account. When there is a loss, how we are going to distribute among the partners. So going for the question, Aarti and Charu commenced partnership business on 1st Jan 2016, sharing profits and losses in 3:2 ratio with capitals of rupees 1 lakh and 80,000 respectively. They earned a profit of rupees 15,000 for the year before allowing interest on capital at 10% per annum. Next, interest on drawings, Aarti rupees 1,000 and Charu rupees 800. Next, commission payable to Aarti rupees 2,000. Next, salary payable to Charu rupees 3,000. Prepared profit and loss appropriation account for the year ending 31st December 2016. So this is a calendar year. Based on the calendar year, we are going to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. So in the previous video, I said that I'm going to tell you people how we are going to take when there is a net loss made by the firm. But in this question, it's only the profits that is earned. But still, let us see how we are going to take in case if the question is with net loss. So far, I guess the company will never take up for distribution of profit among the partners if it is facing a loss. But still, let us go for the format. So coming to the format, I've just made a format as per the question. So as I said in the previous video about when the net loss is faced by a company or a firm, so what we are going to do, so when the company is facing a net loss, we are supposed to take that on the debit side of your profit and loss appropriation account. As I have written to profit and loss account, net loss brought down is nil, because in this particular question we have no loss faced by the firm. So next, moving on right from the credit side, as I said, first we are going to go as per the format on the credit side. Whenever we get something in, what comes in should be taken first, and then only we are going to go for paying out. So now moving on to the credit side, we have the net profit earned by the company. So it's going to be taken on the credit side of your profit and loss appropriation account. By profit and loss account, net profit brought down is written and the value to be taken is 15,000. Next, the second step is interest on drawings. So the partners have withdrawn and on that they have made some interest to the company. So we are writing it as by interest on drawings account, Aarti is 1,000 and Charu is 800. So the amount receivable as interest on drawings is going to be 1,800. Next, moving on to your debit side of profit and loss appropriation account. Now the company is supposed to pay interest on capital of the partners on their investments. So here on the debit side, we are going to write to interest on capital account, Aarti and Charu, and show the calculation in the inner column. So it's easy for us to do the amount simultaneously, add it and write it. So 1 lakh into 10% for Aarti is 10,000 and 80,000 into 10% for Charu is 8,000. So next, the total of this interest on capital is 18,000 taken in the amount column. And moving on to the commission paid to Aarti. In the previous video we never had a commission, but here this is one addition. So Aarti's commission is to be taken next as 2,000. I have done it. Next, Charu's salary we have. So this is also payable. So I have taken it and the value is 3,000. Just observe this. Now moving on to the values amount. Just observe the amount debit side and the credit side and just check up the total, which side is greater. I guess debit side is greater for this particular question. 18,000 plus 2,000 plus 3,000 gives us 23,000. On the credit side it is 15,000, then 1,800. So when we take only these two values, we get 16,800. So which side is greater? Debit side. So I have taken debit side total. Always see that which side is greater, that is to be taken up. So 23,000 is the total I get. So I have taken the same total on the credit side. Now debit side value is greater. Take the debit side total, take the same total on the credit side, and we are going to find out the balancing figure on the credit side. So here now when your debit balance is greater, we get a loss. So 6,200 is a difference that is going to be treated as a loss, transferred to the partner's capital account. So Aarti is getting at the ratio, actually she's not getting, she's sharing the loss on 6,200 at the ratio of 3:2, which means 3 by 5, 3,720, and Charu 6,200 into 2 by 5 is equals to 2,480. So this is how it's going to be the format when we are going to do it. Just observe the format and just fix it up, which comes on the credit side and which comes on the debit side. So when there is a loss, the loss will always appear on the credit side, distributed or shared among the partners. When you have a profit, so that will be transferred or distributed, shown on the debit side of the profit and loss appropriation account.